Hello, Miss.
Hi, good evening.
Yes, good evening. How are you?
I'm good.
Yes.
So, how many participants are we expecting today, Miss?
We are expecting two students, but only one, show up. So
Okay.
we need to wait for another one. Mr. Work, can you introduce yourself to the teacher?
Hi, hello,
My
good
name is
evening.
Quốc. I come from Vietnam.
Okay,
I 24 years old.
okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Ko.
Nice to
How
meet
should I
you.
call you?
Huh?
Hi,
Yes.
Miss.
Yeah. Hi, Miss Hồng.
Miss
Hello, teacher.
Hong.
Yes, Miss Hồng. And Mr. Work. Yes. So you can call him Mr. Jim or Work.
Jim, Mr. Jim.
Yeah,
Yes.
Jim.
Right, okay, Mr. Jim. Okay, and Miss Hong.
Yes, you can call her Miss Pink. Miss Pink. Because
Miss Pink.
Hồng means pink in Vietnamese. Yes.
Okay, the color pink.
Yes. You
Yeah,
can call
okay,
her
okay.
Pink. Yes.
So, before,
So
so are we full,
I make
Miss?
you host. Yeah.
Okay, so before anything else, I would like to introduce myself first. Okay, I am Lenny Rolf Naraga from the Philippines. I am a licensed professional teacher here. I've been teaching for almost 6 years, and I've been doing online teaching for about 4 years now.
Yeah.
Okay,
Nice to meet.
so before we move on, I would just like to call Miss Pink to introduce herself for we to know what she's been doing. Miss Pink.
Can you introduce
Hi,
yourself,
good
Miss Pink?
evening.
Yes. Nice to meet you, teacher. My name is
Nice to
Hồng.
meet you.
Yes, but you can call me Pink.
Miss
I'm 23 years old, and now I'm working and living in Bắc Ninh, Vietnam. I'm working in a printer company.
Okay.
So my family have 4 people. My father, my mom, my father, my mother, my older brother, and me.
Okay.
Yes,
That's
that
it.
is something
Yes.
about me. Yes.
Okay, that's it. Thank you, Miss Pink. And again, Mr. It's again your should I call Mr. Jim? Is that right?
Yes,
Yes.
Mr. Jim.
Okay. Can you please again introduce yourself so that also Miss Pink would know your background?
Yes. My name is Quốc. You can call me is James
Okay, Mr.
because
Jim.
at work people call me is James. I'm 24 years old. I come from Vietnam. Now I am working for ICT company. This is child lead of company.
Okay. Okay, that's it. Yes, okay. So thank you so much, Miss Pink and Mr. Jim. So it's nice to meet you. And I will be your teacher for this evening, and I will be guiding you throughout the workshop for tonight. Okay? So before anything, if I'm too fast, you can call out and you can also ask question. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So let me just share my screen. Okay, can you already see the presentation?
That I can.
Is, is my presentation visible? Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
Yes, okay. Okay, let's start. Are we ready? Do you have any question before we start? No questions? Okay. Okay. In this workshop, we will learn how to deal with clients or workmates with these situations. And we will start with dealing with how to welcome a visitor. So, you know what is visitors?
That I know.
Did you know what is
Yes.
visitor?
Visitor
Mm,
same is a customer.
Okay, the one who visits a company. Right. So,
Ah.
are we all working? Since we are all working, we have visitors sometimes in our company, right? Or in our job. So we have here a sample on how we welcome a visitor. So okay, wait. Can you see the situation?
Yes, yeah, I can see. Đây là cô giáo hơi ồn nhỉ.
mm,
Okay. So we have here the situation. We will read this and we will analyze how should we welcome the visitors. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. You work, let me read first the situation and we will understand it later. Okay? Okay. So you work for Henman Services. Your company has two clients. A company called Junko Fashion in Japan and Ortego in Spain. Your manager says that 5 employees from Junko Fashion and 5 employees from Ortego Japan will be visiting. So just imagine in this workshop, you will imagine you're working in a company. Okay. For example, you are working in a company. The name of your company is Henman Services. Okay. So there will be visitors. 5 from Japan and 5 from Spain. So the 10 visitors will visit your company. Okay?
Yes.
So, imagine that I am your boss and I give you a task to welcome the visitors. Okay? So
Yes.
now, I will ask you on what is your idea on how we welcome the visitors. Okay, so how should we welcome the visitors? The five from Japan likes outdoor activities. They like also traditional food. They also like in outdoor events and knowing history and culture of the country. And the five from Spain likes formal events. They like dancing. Okay, so I will be tasking Mr. Jim on how should you welcome the Junko and Miss Pink on how you welcome Spain in
Okay.
the company. So, Mr. Jim, you welcome the Junko Fashion Japan, and Miss Pink, you will welcome Ortego Spain. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to plan, to make a plan how to welcome them.
Okay.
Okay, is there
Yeah.
any questions? Okay, no more questions? None?
No. No.
None. Okay, so after 5 minutes, you will explain to me as your boss, what's your idea? Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Ồ, thảo luận à?
Ừ, cái này mình sẽ làm một bài hội thoại này anh.
Hay không biết, hình như là mỗi người một phần mà.
Rồi, nhưng mà sẽ xem cô giáo là quản lý và mình sẽ trình bày ý tưởng với cô ấy chứ mình không cần nói chuyện với nhau hả?
Không, hình như không cần đâu.
Ừ.
Thế là anh nói về cách để tiếp với khách hàng Nhật Bản thế nào ấy, em tiếp khách hàng Tây Ban Nha. Đấy.
Ừ.
Do you have any questions? Mọi người có cần đặt câu hỏi gì cho cô không thì hỏi cô cũng được kìa. Any questions?
Không biết
No.
hỏi gì.
Hỏi xong cô trả lời không biết cái gì.
Okay, no questions. Okay.
Is everybody good? Are we good? No one's yet done. Done? Finish?
Mm,
Yes,
Finish?
finished.
Okay.
I finished.
Okay. Since finish already, Mr. Jim?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So we'll start with Mr. Jim.
Yes.
Okay?
Now, then
Okay. So
I
how will you, Mr. Jim, how will you welcome the visitors from Junko, Japan?
Yuko Japan come from our company visit. So, I mean, now I tell about the Zuko session from Japan. They come they come to our company visit. There are five clients come to the first they like informal activities and they online outdoor events
Yeah.
and and they are interested in the history and culture of the country. Finally, they want to try some traditional food.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Jim, if you, if Junko, Japan will go to Vietnam, will visit you in Vietnam,
Yes.
what would you want them to try in Vietnam?
Mm,
If they visit you in Vietnam, what would you want Japan to try there?
I want
I,
I come to Japan.
if Japan, if Japan will go there in
Uh,
your place, what will you want them to try? Where will you bring them? If Japan will go to your place,
I want to want to take some try some traditional food such as uh, phở and traditional cake and some traditional cake.
okay. So since Japan wants outdoor activities, do Vietnam have beach? Do you have beach there?
Yet in the
Beach for
Vietnam
swimming?
uh, in the Vietnam have a lot of speed. I will uh, take them go to the swim in the uh, Sầm Beach and or Hạ Long Beach where is very also the beautiful.
Okay. So that's nice. Since Japan likes outdoor activities, you can say I will. You can say I will. I will. You say I will. Follow me, follow. I will. Just say I will.
I will. Yes.
I will take them.
And
Take them.
outdoor even.
Just follow me. Follow me, follow. I will
I real
take them. Take them
take them
to beach
to beach
because
because
they like
they like
outdoor
outdoor event
activities.
activity.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Thank you. And now,
In
let's
the beach
have
have outdoor activity. Đấy. Ý cô là ở ngoài bãi biển có hoạt động ngoài trời.
okay, now let's thank you so much, Mr. Jim. Thank you. And now let's have Miss Pink. Hi, Miss Pink. Hi.
Yeah,
If
hello,
you were
teacher.
to welcome, hi. If you welcome Ortego Spain in your company, how will
Yes.
you welcome them?
So, cái gì nhỉ? Because because the visitor like formal event, so I think the best choice is we will have a party
Party, okay.
in evening at the restaurants.
Restaurants.
About food, I think is we will can try text and win.
Again?
Cái gì nhỉ? Alcohol, red wine.
Wait.
Thì
Okay, you can do it. Okay, red wine.
wine.
Yes,
Wine
red
is-
wine. Yes,
Yes.
red wine. Okay, that's it.
So after the dinners, because they like dance, so I have we will can have an activity is dancing with them. But we have a problem. They don't want too long restaurant dinner. So I think after dance we will have we will spend time as
At
trời. Ngoài cô Dung ơi cứu em, ngoài trời là gì cô?
Outdoor nhỉ?
Outdoor. Yeah, outdoor.
outdoor. Okay. Okay, that's it. You're done?
Yeah, that is my idea.
Okay, that's great. Thank you. So it's nice. You will welcome Spain 4, and you will treat them for a dinner at a restaurant, right? With red
Yes.
wine, okay? So you could read at, or you could pronounce that as wine. Wine.
Wine. Wine.
Yes,
Yes.
wine. Okay. And because they like dancing, you will take them to a formal event. Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay, that's good. Okay, so these are the words that I noticed with Miss Pink and Mr. Jim. So it's nice to use will. I will, we will, if the event does not happen yet. So we will use will if it's tomorrow or in the coming days. Okay, it's great. You use will. Okay, we will welcome. Okay, that's very good. You use will. Okay, so thank you for your ideas, Miss Pink and Mr. Jim. Okay, so let's have this another activity. Okay, so we have here 3 choices: the rock climbing adventure, the Casino Royale evening, and the Meridian cruise. Okay, these 3 is your choices. You will choose one. You will choose one, okay, to welcome a visitor. So, where or what choice will you select, Miss Pink? So, let's start with Miss Pink. Okay, Miss Pink,
Yes.
what? Okay, what choice will you make, or which one of the 3 will you choose to welcome Japan? If you to welcome Japan, yes,
Yes.
Junko Japan, Junko Fashion Japan, which of the 3 will you select? Which activity? Rock
I
climbing,
will try. Yeah.
casino,
Rock climb.
or Meridian cruise? You choose
I choose rock climbing.
activity.
The first activity. Yes.
Okay. Okay. I will not let you explain. I will give you 2 minutes to explain why. Okay? To give an idea why. Why rock climbing? Okay?
Sorry,
Okay.
but you can repeat this. Can you repeat it again?
Okay. Okay. You choose rock climbing.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. You will explain to me why you choose rock climbing.
Yes.
Okay. I will give you 2 minutes to make your explanation.
Yes.
Okay? Okay. Now, Mr. Jim. Mr. Jim.
Yes.
Okay. You select which of the 3 is best to welcome Spain. Okay?
I choose the Casino Royale evening.
Cruise. Meridian cruise.
No, Casino.
Casino Royale. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes to explain, to make an explanation why you choose Casino Royale. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. You will explain to me why did you choose those choices, okay? Do you have questions? Okay, done.
Miss Pink, have you finished?
Yeah, I finished.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Okay, Miss Pink, let's start. So, you will explain to me why did you choose rock climbing to welcome Junko Fashion Japan? Okay?
Yes. Because they like informal activity and like gì nhỉ? Like outdoor events. So I think that is the best idea for them.
So that's it.
Yeah, it's over.
Okay. So that's great. That's good. You choose rock climbing activity adventure because they like outdoor activities, right? Yes, okay.
Yeah.
So you can say rock, you can pronounce rock climbing,
Rock climbing.
climbing, climbing,
Climbing.
yes, that's it. Rock climbing
Yeah.
adventure.
Yeah. Rock
Adventure.
climbing adventure.
Yes, that's good. That's good. Informal. You can also say informal activities.
Informal
Yeah.
activity.
Yes, okay, that's great. Okay, thank you so much, Miss Ping. But it's best to start your sentence with not because. You say, I choose. You can say, I choose rock climbing adventure because. Okay. Okay. If you
Yeah.
explain something, it's better or it's best to start with I choose rock climbing adventure because okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Ping. Okay.
Thank you.
So now let's have Mr. Jim.
Yes.
Okay. You will explain to me, Mr. Jim, on why did you choose Casino Royale evening to welcome Ortego, Spain? Okay.
I choose to come to a Casino Royale evening because I I like playing and I like playing and I want to play
Casino.
earn money and besides I want to find a place to entertainment in the casino.
In the casino.
That in the casino it help me entertainment
Entertainment.
entertainment after hard working hours.
Okay. That's it.
And I like I have a dinner in the restaurant.
Okay, in the restaurant. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, done?
Okay, done.
Okay, done. Okay, so you choose Casino Royale evening to welcome Spain. It's because you like entertainment.
Yes.
Yes. And you like to treat them to restaurant. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So you can say entertainment.
Entertainment.
Yes. Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Yes, that's it. And casino
Casino.
royal.
Royal.
Yes. Evening.
Evening.
Okay. That's great. You start with I choose. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. Thank you so much for your idea, everyone. So let's now move to a decision. Okay. Okay. So, okay. Since Japan, okay, Japan and Spain do not have the same choice, right? The Japan likes outdoor and the Spain likes formal activity, right? So, what do you think is the best for the both of the company? Okay, which one is the best for Spain and Japan? Japan likes outdoor. Spain likes formal activity. So, what or which choice is the best for the two company? Is it rock climbing, Casino Royale, or Meridian Cruise? Which one is the best for Japan and Spain? Okay, Miss Pink,
Yes.
which one of the three choices do you think is the best for Japan and Spain?
Mm, the best choice for Japan's, I think that is rock climbing Afghanistan.
For Japan,
And
rock
for,
climbing, and for Spain
yes,
is casino. For
for
the two,
Spain,
for the two.
and for I think Spain. For
Okay,
Spain, I think that is
casino.
Casino Royale
Okay.
Evening.
Okay. So if you join, if Spain and Japan go together, which one is the best?
Mm, is together to
Yes,
Japan
together.
and
Take Japan
so
and Spain together. Which one
so
is the best?
uh final choice. Sorry, but I don't know how to
Okay,
read
okay,
this.
okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, I will help you both. I will help you too. Okay. Mr. Jim, do you have answer? Do you have answer?
You can read
Or
question.
I will help. Okay, I will help you. Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
Mr. Jim and Miss Pink. If Japan and Spain go together. Okay, okay, okay. Okay.
Meridian.
Okay, I see, I see, I see. Okay, okay. That's great. That's great. So, Miss Pink, choose Meridian Cruise.
Yeah, Meridian
Meridian
Cruise.
Cruise. Yes, okay. That's
Yes.
great. If you if you will welcome Japan and Spain together, you will choose Meridian Cruise. Okay,
Yes.
it's a Meridian Cruise.
Get exactly.
Okay, because Meridian Cruise have informal activity and formal event. So
Mm.
good for the two. Yes, okay. So do you have any question? Do you understand?
Yeah, I can understand.
Mr. Jim?
I don't understand.
You have questions?
Okay.
You can ask me questions. Okay. No questions?
Cái gì?
Trời ơi, nặng nhiều quá.
Không hiểu.
Nhưng mà làm cái gì? Biết là chọn thế rồi nhưng mà xong rồi làm cái gì?
Okay. Okay, let's move to new situation. So here I will ask you question. You will answer me. Okay? I will give you the answer. Okay? I will give you the answer and we will exchange script. Okay. So imagine, for example, I am a buyer. For example, you two, Mr. Jim and Miss Pink, are seller. You are the supplier. You are selling DVD. You are selling DVD. Yes. I am the buyer. And I will ask you question. Okay? Okay. I want to find DVD. I want to find DVD. And you are the seller. You will sell me DVD. Okay? We will practice your English through selling. Okay, just like for example, you will, okay, read this script and you will answer my question. Okay? Okay, let's start, Miss Pink.
Mm.
Okay, for example, let's try, okay?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Here in team B, that is your answer. In team B. Okay, I will be the team A. You are the team B.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay, B and G, how many DVD titles do you have? How many
Yeah.
DVD titles do you have? Okay, you answer
Mm.
me.
There are 5,300 title
Okay,
DVD.
we can say we have
We
have
we have
5,300
5,300
DVD
Title.
titles.
DVD title.
Okay, Mr. Jim.
Yes.
Okay, how many DVD titles do you have?
We have 3,000
5,300
300 DVD title.
Okay, very good. Okay, now you go this one first, Mr. Jim. How much discount can you give me on orders over 1,000 euro? How much discount can you give me on orders over 1,000 euro?
I can discount for me for you 8% on orders over 1,000
1,000 euro.
euro.
Okay. Okay. I can give you, you can say, I can give you
I can review
8%
8%
discount
discount
on orders
on orders
over
over
1,000
1,000
euro.
euro.
Yes. Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay. Miss Pink,
Yes.
how much discount can you give me on orders over 1,000 euro? How much discount can you give me on orders over 1,000 euro?
I can give you S. Let's see nhỉ.
Person.
8
Person 8% on order over 1,000 euro.
Okay. I can give you 8% discount.
Discount.
Yes, on orders over 1,000 euro.
On
Okay.
order over 1,000 euro.
Okay, that's great. Okay. Mr. Jim? Okay. What is your delivery system and what is your price range? What is your delivery system and your price range?
The delivery is the deliveries are 7 days and price start at 4.5 euro.
Okay. Okay. Okay, you can say we can deliver within. Okay, we can deliver within
We can deliver within
7 days,
7 days.
and our price starts
And price starts
at 4
at 4
and 50
and 50
euro.
euro.
Okay, that's great. That's great. That's good. Okay, Miss Pink, how about you? What is your delivery system and your price range?
Mm, uh, I can deliver. I can deliver in 7 days. No, and preset start
Price,
prices start at 4 and 50 euro.
euro. Okay, we can
Euro.
deliver, or you can say we if
We.
it is a company, or I. It's
Yeah.
good we or I.
Yeah.
Okay, we can deliver
We can deliver
within
within
7 days,
7 days,
and
and
our price
our price
starts
start
at 4
as at 4
and 50
and 50
euro.
euro.
Yes, okay, that's great. Okay, so before we wrap up, okay, let's just ask the last questions. Okay, now you're the team A and I'm the team B. Okay, you're the team A and I'm the team B.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, let's start, Mr. Jim.
Mm. How many? How
Okay.
many?
How
much?
how many
How
DVD
many?
titles do you have?
How many DVD titles do you have?
Okay, you will answer me. We have
We have 3,600 DVD titles.
Okay, how much discount can you give me on orders over 1,200 euro? I can give you
I can give you 12% on orders over.
discount.
Uh, I can give you 12% discount on orders over
200.
1,200 real.
Yes, that's great. And what is your delivery system and price range? We can deliver
We can deliver 5 days
within
within 5 days, and our price start at 3.99 euro.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, Miss Pink, it's your turn.
Yes.
How many DVD titles do you have?
We have 3,600 DVD titles.
Okay. How much discount can you give me on orders over 1,200 euro?
We can discount our
Give you
we can discount give We can give you
12
12 persons. We
discount.
can give you 12% discount on the order over 1,200 euro.
Euro. Okay, very
Yeah.
good. Okay, what is your delivery system and your price range?
Mm, yeah. We can deliver without
Within
we can deliver within 5 days and our person start as 3 and 99 euro.
Okay, price.
Right.
Price.
Right.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Very good. Okay. Before we sum up, let's ask you first. Between the two supplier, okay. Between the two supplier, the B&G and the Secodisk, which one have great offer? Between the two supplier, which one have great offer? Which one have big discount? B&G,
Yep.
Secodisk. Which one have big discount?
B&G.
Okay. B&G discount 8%.
A
The
discount.
Secodisk discount is 12%. Which one is big?
Secodisk.
Yeah, Secodisks. Okay. How about you, Mr. Jim? Which one delivers fast? Which one delivers faster?
Secodisk.
Secodisk. Why?
Because it's on delivers only 5 days. 5 days. B&G need to 7 days.
Okay, take 7 days. Okay, very good. Okay, let me ask first, Miss. What is our time cut off?
Yes, we will end the class at about 10 p.m. and it's the 5 minutes left. We have 5 minutes
Okay,
left.
5 minutes left. Okay, we will end our class with pronunciation. Okay, we will pronounce the words we have said earlier. Okay. Okay. You can say company. When we say word company, you can say the word
Company.
yes. Company. Yes. Culture. Culture.
Culture.
Yes.
Okay.
Wine.
Wine.
Yeah, wine. And you say entertainment. Entertainment.
Entertainment.
Okay. And let me ask you, what did you learn today? You, Mr. Jim, first. What did you learn tonight? What did you learn?
What do you learn?
Yes, what did you learn?
What do you learn to?
Câu hỏi hôm nay mình học cái gì vậy anh?
Rồi học
I
gì?
learned. Okay, Miss Pig, you'll go first.
Yeah. So today we learn about events and discount.
Okay.
À,
Event and discount. Okay. How about you, Mr. Jim?
no, I
Sorry.
Okay, I guess Mr. Jim also learned percent discount. Yes, okay.
can
So
welcome customer.
again,
How welcome to the customer.
again, Mr. Jim.
Đón tiếp khách hàng thì
Anh cô nhắn
How-
câu trả lời
How
tin
to
nhắn.
welcome the customer, the visitor. That's what he needs.
Okay. Okay, so you learned how to welcome visitor. Okay. So my last reminder is when you explain or when you say, do not start with because. Don't start with because. Okay?
yes.
Okay.
Yes. Bắt đầu.
Okay, so I guess is it time's up?
Yes, it's time's up. We only have two minutes left.
Oh,
You have-
1:10. Okay. So no other comments? Question?
No.
Any questions? No, they are a bit shy.
No.
Sorry, miss. Okay, so can you say thanks to our teacher?
Thank you,
Thank you
teacher.
so much,
Thank you
teacher.
also. Thank you also, Miss. Thank you, Mr. Jim, and thank you, Miss Pink. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank
Thank
you
you,
so much.
teacher, for joining our class today. So what do you think about our class?
Thank you so much.
Do you like what do you think about our class? Can you give us some comments? Can you give them some comments about their English skill? What do they need to practice?
Actually, they're already great. They're already good. They're already good. I witnessed some of my students in workshop 1. This is workshop 1. Some of my students are still struggling and they're better. They're better. Yeah,
Nice.
they're better. Their level is like from workshop 2 already.
Oh,
So, yeah. They're good.
yeah.
They're good. They're fast.
Yeah.
Actually,
Thank
they're
you, miss.
fast.
Yeah.
Usually, my class in workshop 1, we didn't I think we just stopped in situation 1.
Yeah.
We don't usually arrive in situation 2.
Oh,
They're
nice.
good. Actually, they're fast. They're
Yeah.
good.
Okay. Thank you, teacher.
So,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, teacher. So maybe we have to stop now so that you can have another class. So are you going to have another class? Yeah. Okay. So see you again soon. Thank you for joining our class today. So
Bye.
goodbye and good night, everyone. Good night, miss. Good
night.
night, teacher. Yes. Good night.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you,
Yes.
teacher.
Bye.
Yeah. You can end.
Goodbye. Đi rồi nào. Ôi ngại quá. Good night, teacher.
Good night.
Good
Thế là
night.
thôi hả?
I leave this.
I will leave now. Goodbye.